Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Cadillac Escalade. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include information package, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.